Hello and welcome to our video on transposing equations. When you're asked to rearrange an equation to make another variable the subject, you need to use your inverse operations, like when you're solving an equation, to rearrange the equation so that the new letter is the subject, and it means it's that letter equals by itself. So the subject of this equation is V currently, subject of this one is C, and the subject of this one is T. This question is asking you to rearrange this so that R is the subject. So it needs to go into R equals form. This one wants it in F equals form, and this one wants it in K equals form. Pause the video now and have a go at these three examples. Okay, hopefully you have had a go at these. They are a little bit tricky. The first one is actually the formula for volume of a cone, and we're going to rearrange it into R equals form. First of all, we want to get rid of this fraction. There's two ways we could do that. We could just multiply by 3, but I just want to show you this, that with 1/3 out the front, it's the same as all of this over 3. So if you have it written this way, hopefully you can see a bit easily that we can multiply by 3 now. 3v equals pi r squared h. And we're trying to get r by itself, so I'm going to take the pi and the h and divide them over this side. Do that in 2 steps in one. And we're left with r squared. And the opposite of squared is square root. So we're going to end up with square root 3v over pi h. Now whenever we take the square root of something, we need to make sure we put plus or minus out the front there so we can clearly see that there's two solutions. Check that we've answered the question. It is in R equals form. Done. Question B needs to be in F equals form. So I'm going to start by getting rid of the 9 in the denominator and multiplying it out to the other side. 5, and I might be sneaky and do this all in one go and expand the brackets. 5f minus 160. Trying to get f by itself. 9c plus 160 equals 5f. 9c plus 160 divided by 5 equals f. And we can divide 160 by 5, so, and I'll flip this around as well into F equals form. F equals 9 on 5 C plus 32. And this formula is the formula for conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit and back again. The final formula is asking us to put it in K equals form. So I'm going to leave the K on this side. T over 2 pi equals square root of m over K. Opposite of square root is squared. Equals m over k. I'm going to expand this out. T squared over 4 pi squared equals m over k. Now we've got the k, the one that we want, in the denominator. So it's like when we're solving an equation and x is in the denominator. We could multiply, put the k over here for a moment, and then move all this back over this side. But a really quick trick to do here is to, when you've got two fractions, just flip them both upside down. So we can go 4 pi squared over t squared equals k over m. Problem solved. Now we need to get rid of the m. 4 pi squared m. M is going to go in the numerator over t squared equals k, and it's in k equals form. Thanks for watching the video.